Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 2nd of September, 2024. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note, with Nifty above 25,250 on September 2nd, led by IT, FMCG and banking names. At close, the Sensex was up 194.07 points or 0.24% at 82,559.84, and the Nifty was up 42.80 points or 0.17% at 25,278.70. Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, HCL Technologies, Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers were Grazim Industries, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Adani Enterprises, Coal India and Nestle India. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of AEGIS Logistics surged around 6% on September 2nd due to heavy volumes. A total of 9 lakh shares of the company changed hands on BSE and NSE combined so far in the day, compared to 1-month average trading volume of 5 lakh shares. Recently, AEGIS Vopak Terminals Limited, a subsidiary of the company, issued 95.37 crore fully paid-up equity shares as a bonus. These shares are valued at 953.7 rupees crore in total. The Board of Directors of AVTL approved the allocation of these bonus shares through a resolution passed on August 28, 2024. AEGIS Vopak Terminals operates a network of terminals located in 5 strategic ports in the country. It is one of the largest independent tank storage companies for LPG and chemicals with a capacity of nearly 9.6 lakh cubic meters. Last month, it was reported that AVTL is looking to file its draft red herring prospectus with capital markets regulator SEBI to raise funds through an initial public offering. The subsidiary of AEGIS Logistics is looking to raise nearly 4,500 rupees crore through a fresh issue, reported CNBC TV 18 citing sources. Since the company's IPO will be a fresh issue entirely, the entire proceeds of 4,500 rupees crore will come into the company and is expected to be used for expansion purposes. Shares of ORIANA Power hit a 5% upper circuit at 2,193.15 rupees on NSE SME on September 2nd platform after the company announced that it received a 247.88 rupees crore order for a 52 megawatt solar power plant. The contract was awarded by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. The new project will be developed in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. It falls under the company's engineering, procurement, and construction segment. Under the contract, ORIANA Power will ensure the development of the solar power plant, which includes obtaining approval from the central transmission utility, setting up necessary transmission lines, and managing operations and maintenance for 5 years. This contract is expected to be executed within 6 months by ORIANA Power. Incorporated in 2013, ORIANA Power is engaged in 2 main business verticals, providing EPC and operations of solar power projects, and offering solar energy solutions on a build, own, operate, transfer basis. In August, the company announced plans to establish a gigawatt-scale facility dedicated to producing alkaline electrolyzers and balance of plant modules. This factory is set to launch in 2 phases, with the first phase, featuring a 500 megawatt annual capacity for electrolyzer production, slated to commence operations by 2026. Shares of GLOBUS Spirits extended its bull run for 2nd straight day, rising over 7% to hit a lifetime high of 1,153 rupees on September 2nd. The uptick came after Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund bought 2 lakh equity shares, representing 0.69% stake of GLOBUS Spirits' total equity via block deal on NSE. With this rise, the stock has leapt a staggering 28% in the past 2 days, beating benchmark Nifty 50's modest 0.7% surge. Over the past 3 months, the stock of this distilleries company has jumped over 54% as compared to Nifty 50's 12% rise. On August 30th, Motilal Oswal MF bought GLOBUS Spirits shares at an average price of 1,071.49 rupees. It held nil or below 1% stake in the company, showed June 2024 shareholding data. GLOBUS Spirits is engaged in making, marketing, and selling of branded Indian-made foreign liquor and bulk alcohol comprising rectified spirit and ENA. The company is also involved in franchisee bottling for renowned brand owners. It operates 5 fully integrated grain-based distilleries at Bareilly, Rajasthan, Samalkha, Haryana, Panagarh, West Bengal, Vaishali, Bihar, and Baharagora, with a combined capacity of around 268 million litres per annum. The company has also forayed into the ready-to-drink segment with the formation of a subsidiary, called Board Beverages. Shares of Indian HUME pipe soared by an impressive 14% to reach a record high of 613 rupees on September 2, following the announcement of a significant 828 rupees crore work order from the Tapi Irrigation Development Corporation in Jalgan, Maharashtra. Indian HUME pipe specializes in the manufacturing, laying, and jointing of pipelines. The company is also involved in infrastructure development projects, executing turnkey water supply initiatives. Additionally, it produces and supplies concrete railway sleepers to Indian Railways. The newly secured order encompasses engineering, procurement, and construction services, along with trial runs, testing, and commissioning of a gravity pipe distribution network. This network is designed to irrigate a 26,907 hectare area under the Jamphal Dam as part of the Sulwade-Jamphal-Kanoli lift irrigation project in the Shindkheda Taluka of the Dhule district. The scope of the order also includes operation and maintenance of the system for a period of 5 years, with a project execution timeline of 24 months. In its Q1 financial year 2025 results, Indian HUME Pipe reported a net profit of 31.16 rupees crore, a substantial increase from the 8.51 rupees crore recorded in Q1 financial year 2024. Net sales also grew by 5% year-on-year, reaching 364.14 crore rupees for the quarter. Coral India Finance and Housing Limited in daily time frame is trading around 68.41 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 3.538 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 59.48, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.01. Sri Vasu Logistics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 324.80 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 235.063 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 249.42, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 85.25. Deep Energy Resources Limited in daily time frame is trading around 259.40 points with a change of 17.84% and is trading with a net volume of around 3.669 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 217.93, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.89. For the stock recommendation we have, Shriram Finance Limited looks good and can be bought at 3,227 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 3,157 rupees and a target of 3,320 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.